Want clean, precise timber surfaces? I'll show you exactly how you can get them with this Lumberjack 10-inch planer thicknesser. We'll be adjusting the depth, setting the fence, switching between planing and thicknessing, and hooking up the dust extraction to make sure you keep your workshop nice and clean. This is a 1500 watt 10-inch planer thicknesser with a 254mm max width and a 2mm max cutting depth. Always wear eye protection and make sure all of the guards and the dust extraction is in place before using. Never attempt a pass more than 2mm. Trust me, it's safer and you'll get smoother results this way. To use the machine, this dust hood has to be in place. To mount it, drop your planer bed all the way to its lowest position, and then this slots in under the machine. You've got a screw here at the front which lines up with a corresponding hole here. So you can slide that in, screws at the front, and it also has these tabbed areas that slot in. I find slotting those in first makes it a little bit easier to then line the screw up. This tab on the front is just for locating, but the one to the rear of the machine actually has a micro switch in it. So if I undo that and I try to turn the machine on, it doesn't work. I'll plug it back in and the machine will then work. Just another quick safety point, make sure you're wearing some hearing protection because this machine is fairly loud. Feed your timber smoothly, keeping your hands well away from the cutter block. My preferred method is to use the push blocks where I can to keep my hands well away from the blades. You want steady, even pressure and let the machine do the work. Don't force it through. The machine comes with a blade guard which can be adjusted to different heights and positions for maximum protection. You adjust the fence using the lock-in mechanisms at the back, which let you move it forward and backwards, and also tilt from 90 degrees all the way to 135 degrees for bevels. Tighten it down and then you're set. There's also some micro adjustments here to make sure that it's square. You can then run your boards along the fence to square an edge or create a bevel. To change it over to thicknesser mode, I'd recommend making sure that the machine's unplugged so it can't power on. Undo the screw and then undo these two tabs and you can slide out your dust chute. You can then raise and move your blade guard out of the way, push your fence forward and tilt it back to open up a bit of space, and then you can slide this into position. And it's easy to line the screw up this time because you can obviously see the hole, so just screw that into the top bed and then your micro switch and your other tab just slot into place. You can then adjust the table height using this handle. Each full rotation is 3mm. You've also got this depth gauge on the side. Set your required thickness and then you're ready to go. Feed your timber through the table for a nice even cut. Make sure you've flattened one side already so that you get a nice parallel finish. Always avoid planing too much at once or the machine can jam. For a clean workspace and to keep your machine performing at an optimum level, make sure you hook up your dust extraction here. Ideally, you want to use a proper dust extractor, but if you're like me, you can use adapters to fit a shop vac. Not the best solution, but I do have to say it still works quite well. Adjust your blade guard using these levers and it should cover any part of the cutter that isn't in use. Always double check this before starting. Keep your workspace nice and clear. You want to use push sticks and blocks to keep your hands well away from the cutter blades. Also, try not to reach over the cutter block. And that's it. Clean, accurate, planing and thicknessing, all made easy by the Lumberjack 10-inch planer thicknesser. If you're interested in picking one of these up, there'll be a link down below in the description box and they're highly recommended from me. If you want to see more of my videos, head over to the Renovation Dan channel. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to the Lumberjack YouTube channel for more helpful tool guides.